Today we are discussing how to make ranges in Excel. There are two types in ranges. One is static ranges, while second is the dynamic ranges. Today, in today's tutorial, we are discussing about the static ranges. So for that, I'm going to select the range. In this case, for the late coming deductions, that's from 3 to 150%, which means from cell Q4 W4 to X19, and then go to the name box over there, give it name. Be careful whenever you will give it a name, so you have to follow the specific format. It will not accept the space, dot, or the hyphen in the name. You may insert the underscore or without any specific or special symbol. Like I'm going to give it name is the late underscore deductions. So this second is the leave deductions. So leave deduction, while third is half deductions, which mean half days deductions. While fourth is the overtime, and the last one is the salary policy. So I made just 5 ranges. Now how we can view these ranges? For that you will have to press Ctrl F3, or you can okay, over there you have 3 options: new, edit, and delete. So you can go to make for the new ranges, you can delete the any desired one, or you can go for edit. For example, if I go to one of them to edit it, to increase the space or to decrease the space of the desired range, and first you have to select it. Let's say in this case is half deduction is selected, and then go to edit and click in front of reference to. Over here you can see the area is highlighted. So if we want to extend in terms of rows, so we have to give here a row number. Here the last row number is 10 in this case, so I can go for 11, 12, 13, and 14, while the column is R, which is this one. If I want to increase more columns, for example S, T, and so on, so I'm supposed to write here the next column number. So by this way we can edit this one. Okay, and then you can also access this by clicking on the formula in the menu, on the menu bar with the name formula. Over there, go there, define names. In define names, so we have name manager. So same window will appear with the name manager. So this was how to make a range and visualize and edit and delete it. Hope that you will enjoy it. If you like this video, so please don't forget to